Hi everyone. Okay, so me and my mom were watching Yoruba movie, and basically, so we were watching it on Netflix because I wanted to watch Netflix and she wanted to watch Yoruba movie, so we decided to watch it on Netflix. And I saw like they had like the 3 stripes, and I went to my mom. I was like, "What is this?" And she said it's like a tribe, like a tribal mark, like symbol. And I was like, "Why doesn't she have one?" Because she's from Nigeria too. And she was like, "Get away from me, Joe! Kuroja, Kuroja, do you see me? Am I in Nigeria? Am I in Nigeria? Why are you doing this? Get out of my room, Joe! Why are you doing this when we are watching a movie? Go search it up if you don't know what it is. Go search it up. Because every single time we go to Nigeria, literally nobody has it. So I don't know what it is. But you know, it was fun. I thought, see, she thinks it's okay to not let me know about it. Guess what? I searched it up and I saw some pictures of it. And I was like, everybody must wonder, what would my mom look like with it on? So I decided I'm to dress like her. This is what she looks like, everyone. Don't mind the room because I'm sleeping in my mom's room tonight. But yes, guys, this is what she looks like. She wears dresses like this, and she wears, and then this is what she would look like with the marks, the tribe marks. Don't I look like her, everyone? Look at me, everyone. Woohoo! I look like her. Mommy, do you want to say anything, or are you still upset? You want to say anything? She's a little bit upset right now because she didn't want me to do this video. But I'm going to tell her to show you guys. And if she doesn't show you guys need to text me on WhatsApp and tell me, because she needs to show you guys this video. It's going to be super funny. So, yeah. Mom, say bye-bye. Well, it's okay, everyone. I'm going to be taking over at Let's Start TV. Look, it's me. I'm Sualesh now. Sualesh. It's okay, and I didn't catch her in her stream today because I was at school, but I will next time, and I'll say hi to you guys.